Hello everyone. And again the crossroads, and again very informative for beginners. So, before you is not a typical situation that occurs on the road. So, an intersection of equivalent roads for cars turning in different directions. That is, each of them does not interfere with the other. The red car is turning right. The blue car is turning right. The white car is turning right. And the second white car is turning right. The question is, which of these four cars has no right turn restrictions? The correct answer is B. Because the red and blue cars have a sign prohibiting driving without stopping. Therefore, they are obliged to stop before turning right, and only then continue driving in the given direction. Here's a fun and strange fact. In Turkmenistan, there is a law that prohibits the ownership of a black car. The country's government has banned the import of black cars, so that car enthusiasts can only drive white cars. Violators of the law risk a huge fine and have to repaint their cars.